Hey, welcome to my mentorship program. It's working with new tax professionals slash tax preparers who looking to build and start a successful tax preparation business for themselves slash tax and accounting business for themselves, whatever terminology you want to use or phrase you want to call it. I'm here to help new entrepreneurs get started in this awesome career industry of tax preparation and taxation. Uh, so I work with accounting students that's going to school right now to get a degree, who want to get started now so they can be ahead of the curve. I work with individuals who want to start right now and make a career and business model out of this. And I help people who are looking for a career change or looking to add this as another income stream to what they're already doing. They may complement what they're already doing. So in this mentorship program, it's a whole lot of information when it comes to this topic by itself, and then all the moving pieces to having a full-fledged uh, build out business for yourself is what this mentorship program will cover. I have a team of people that's in different areas that's going to help me grow my own business, which at the same time, there will be the same people that's going to help you grow your business because out of all the moving pieces to having a business, I don't know them all. I'm familiar with them all, but I don't know them all enough to the point where I'm going to try to be a jack of all trades, master of none when it comes to giving you the information for every step by step uh, part of the life cycle of having a business. I'm not about to play those games with you. I'm be real, transparent, and honest with you. But I have a team of people. I have a marketing sales team. You know what I'm saying? I have a business plan team. I have a team for every aspect of the business that you need to know about that I don't handle. And so when you get to that point, it's the person who handles your business plan, which is one of the first things you want to take care of when it comes to having the business in the first place. So this mentorship program, which is 18 months of access to working with me, I'm your tour guide. I'm the one that's going to guide you and direct you and save you from a whole lot of heartache and pain and frustration of making mistakes that we all would naturally make by trying to do this by yourself because you have me on your team that's going to help you not make the mistakes that I made because when I got started, I was by myself. So I had nobody to go to stop me from making mistakes that you naturally make when you do business by yourself and for yourself. It's just part of the process. There's no right or wrong. But if you want to save yourself time, money, and frustration and fast track your success, then this mentorship program was designed for you and mine. It was designed to create uh, a transformation in you that's going to allow you to be creative and successful and resourceful entrepreneur that's going to allow you to get from point A to point Z uh, with guidance every step of the way. So, welcome to the Building Successful Tax Prep Business. My mentorship for new tax professionals is what I call it. It's 18 months to work with me. And after the 18 months, if you want to still work with me, then it's an annual investment. I can't make a living by charging a one-time fee. So it's an annual investment. You locked into that investment price, whatever price points you came in with. And that's how that works. So thank you for joining the program. And I'll see you in my upcoming lessons. Uh, have a great day.